In this demo, I'm going to show you how to organize your files for VSS. On your desktop, right-click and create a new folder. For purposes of this demo, I'm going to label this as COM103 for the class. Now we're going to create the folders that you'll be turning into me. I want you to label them with your last name and the week number. I'm going to be receiving so many submissions from all the students, this is the only way that I can find your folder. We're going to be creating 3 folders for the 3 weeks that you'll be turning into me. Okay, now that you've created the 3 weeks, we're going to create a file for each lab in the workbook that you'll be completing. For week 1, you're going to be completing exercises 1 through 5, so let's create 5 folders for those exercises. Now that we have that finished, let's find out how to take screen captures of the VSS program to turn it into me. In Visual Superscript, you're going to be entering a lot of information into tiny data boxes. If you were to take a print screen of this image, the resolution would be so small I couldn't make what you typed. So instead, we're going to use Snippet. Search for Snip, open the snipping tool. It's a small program that allows you to take a screen capture of a selected region. Once you create these pictures, I want you to save them into the files that you created earlier. Mine are located on the desktop in the COM103 folder. If this was a week 1, lab 1 exercise, I want you to label these pictures as lab 1, exercise 1. And if that lab has more than one exercise, label them numerically. Now, let's verify to make sure that that picture was saved in the correct folder. On the desktop, week 1, lab 1, and there's the picture. I will be counting the number of exercises that you submit to me to verify that you completed the whole lab. In Learning Studio, you cannot send opened folders, so instead we have to compress them. This creates a zip file that you can submit to Learning Studio. Don't try to submit the unzipped folders, it just won't work. And that's it. Hopefully this helped you figure out how to organize your files for COM103. If you have any questions, come find me in class and I can explain it in more detail.